Welcome back to Smart Choice, where we help you make the smartest decisions for your kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into the world of air fryers, and trust me, these 5 models are absolute game changers that will revolutionize how you cook at home. Whether you're a busy parent trying to get dinner on the table quickly, or someone who loves crispy, delicious food without all the guilt, we've got you covered. First up is the incredible COSORI air fryer, with its innovative TurboBlaze technology that delivers restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. This 6-quart powerhouse features a unique 5-fan speed system and can reach temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, creating perfectly crispy meals with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. What really impressed me is how quiet this unit runs. You can actually have a conversation while it's cooking. The square basket design is brilliant for maximizing space while still fitting family-sized portions, and the advanced airflow system ensures every bite is evenly cooked to perfection. Next, we have the Ninja air fryer that's become a real favorite among home cooks. This 4-in-1 marvel handles air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating with ease, and its air crisp technology surrounds your food with 400 Fahrenheit superheated air for incredibly crispy results. The 5-quart capacity is perfect for families, easily handling up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. What sets this apart is how it transforms frozen foods into crispy perfection in just minutes, and cleanup is absolutely effortless thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper plate. The Nuwave Brio Plus takes air frying to the next level with its completely redesigned digital touchscreen interface and cool white display that's easy to read in any lighting. This 8-quart beauty offers precision temperature control from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in exact 5-degree increments. Plus, it features 100 preset cooking options and 50 memory settings. The safety features are outstanding. It automatically pauses when you open the basket and resumes cooking when you close it, making it incredibly user-friendly for cooks of all experience levels. For those who want compact efficiency without sacrificing performance, the Beelicious air fryer is a standout choice. Its flavor lock technology, combined with 360-degree rapid airflow and IQ temp control, delivers consistently golden, crispy results every time. This smart 4-quart unit heats up 40% faster than traditional ovens and includes shake reminders to ensure perfect cooking. The large glass display makes operations simple, and at just 53 decibels, it's whisper quiet during use. Plus, it comes with over 40 chef-created recipes to spark your culinary creativity. Finally, the Chefman TurboFry Touch brings professional-grade cooking to your countertop with its XL 8-quart capacity that's perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. The one-touch digital presets take all the guesswork out of cooking your favorite foods, while the LED shake reminder ensures perfectly even results every time. This stainless steel beauty can reduce oil usage by up to 98%, while still delivering that satisfying crunch we all crave. The intelligent shutoff feature prioritizes safety, automatically pausing when opened and shutting off when cooking is complete. Each of these air fryers brings something unique to the table, and the pricing might surprise you. Some of these incredible machines are more affordable than you'd expect. I've included links to each model below where you can check out the current pricing and read additional reviews from other home cooks. Remember, prices can change quickly, so if you're interested in any of these fantastic air fryers, I'd recommend checking the links sooner rather than later. Which air fryer caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Choice for more honest reviews and smart shopping tips. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest recommendations that help you make the smartest choices for your home and family.